Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy to sew sundress to fit 4-inch, or that would be a 10-centimeter dolls, like your Greenbrier dolls. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download my free printable sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces you see here. Note that I'm using a 1/8 inch ribbon. You will hem one long side of the skirt piece using a double fold hem. I'm whip stitching my hem by hand, but of course you could use the sewing machine too. Gather the skirt along the unhemmed length, but don't tie off your gathers just yet. You want to measure the skirt to match the bodice's length. Now when you do this, you need to have a little bit of extra skirt hanging over the edge of the felt bodice. Leave 1 centimeter of extra skirt fabric overhanging that felt bodice. Even out your gathers. Stitch the skirt to the bodice. I like to use the backstitch for this. Hem the skirt's sides. Remember those little centimeter of extra fabric? Use a double fold hem. Now measure the doll's shoulders for ribbon and cut 2 ribbons this length. Attach the ribbon to the bodice like you see here. Flip the whole dress right side out. Sew a snap at the back of the bodice. If you need any help sewing snaps on your fabric, I do have a tutorial for that. There's a link to my snaps tutorial in the description below this video on YouTube. Now you're ready to try the dress on your little doll. For more free printable sewing patterns, for dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.